Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So today I'm taking a look in the box of the STKR FLEXIT Solar Light. So you may have seen some of the other STKR concepts items that I did, like the tough skin gloves, the mechanical carpenter pencil. They got some really awesome products, and actually I just did a behind the product and spoke to them and actually learned more about some of their products that are coming out, some of the other ones that they have available. Some really awesome things. So make sure you look for that video as well as checking out some of the other ones. So this, we're going to take a look and see what's in the box. It's a really interesting and fun product that is great for someone that's a do-it-yourselfer. And we all know, like, if I have a flashlight, you know, you got to put it in your mouth and try to aim it the right way when you're trying to fix something. Or you give someone the flashlight to hold, and what happens? They never point it in the right direction, right? So this should really solve that. So this one allows you to do some 500 lumens, really bright CREE LED bulbs, but you can flex it to all different angles. There is a hook on it so you can hang it, as well as magnets. They're rare earth magnets on the bottom of it. So if you're working on like a water heater or something, you can put it right there and then adjust it any way you need. Now, it is water resistant, so if it does get some, rain on it, just a little bit of wetness, it's fine. It's not waterproof, so don't go dunking it in a pool and think it's going to work, but you do have that resistance. So the really cool thing about this, the FLEXIT Solar, is it has solar panels right there. So you don't have to worry about finding a power source. If you do have a power source, you can charge it with a USB. That port is right there, or use solar. There is that little hook, almost looks like a little scorpion tail, and it actually spins all different directions. We do have 5 different modes. So there's some different there's like a flash mode. There's a, I believe it's a red light mode. So a lot of different things. Another cool feature is that depending on what mode you're on, if you turn it off and you turn it back on, it's going to remember what mode it was. Also having the individual power button and a separate mode button, so you don't have to try to click it and figure out what's doing what. That sometimes is really insane. So now you can see it. It's not super bright right now because I just took it out of the pack, and this is just the unboxing, but you can kind of get an idea of what that looks like. My camera person is really blinded, but so you can see that. I'm going to point it down, show you the different modes that it has here. We got the red one. So those probably would be really good if you had it in your car and you needed like some emergency help. But the great thing about this is, check this out. I can flex it any different way, turn it, whatever you want to do. If you want to really focus that light down to where it's got to go, you can do that just like that. See? So that is something that is really awesome about this product here. So also in the box of the FLEXIT Solar, we get our little getting started guide, as well as a standard USB cable. So again, this is a flexible flashlight with that rechargeable battery that's built into it, either USB or solar, so you don't always have to worry about finding some type of power source. But that again is the STKR Concepts FLEXIT Solar. I'm going to go ahead, test it out, use it, see actually how it performs in real life. Does it live up to the features? So make sure to look for that review once I post that. But that right here is what's in the box. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon wherever it is, somewhere over here. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care.